Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to redeem gift card on Wayfair. Also, if you are new to our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any other tutorials like this. When you redeem gift card on Wayfair, you'll be able to exchange gift card for goods and products on Wayfair. To redeem gift card on Wayfair, first open any web browser on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar type wayfair.com. Then you will be taken to the website of Wayfair. Make sure you log into your account before we begin with the process. Now tap on account on right side. Then you can see gift card on third last option. Tap on gift card. Now you'll be taken to the gift card section of the website. You can see the option of got a gift card. In the side you can see the option of redeem. Tap on redeem. Now you need to enter the gift card code on this box. After entering your gift card code, now tap on redeem. With this, you can redeem gift card on Wayfair. If you have questions about your gift card, you can tap on call us to get more information. This is how we can redeem gift card on Wayfair. If today's tutorial was helpful to you all, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.